Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial I'll be learning how to make a simple female purse, and the measurements are as follows. This is 6.5 and this is 6.5 inches as well. This last one is 4.5 inches. To curve it right, you measure 1 inches, and 1 inches. So this between this interval is 1 inches. You do the same thing to the other side too. Then you slant it well. However, don't mind the noise on my background. Today my background is a bit noisy, and I just can't help it. But if you are new to my channel, kindly click the subscription button and smash the bell icon so when I drop new tutorials you get notified. So the next thing is to gum our materials. So this material, this whitish material you see here, is called macro, and the black one is called carry board. This is carry board. So we'll gum them, we'll gum fabric to it. And the macro should be 1 inch longer than the carry board. So it's time to gum the fabric to the macro. You can use this particular gum you're seeing. You can also use the other local gum, So I'm done gumming the macro. Let's gum the macro with the fabric together. Place it carefully and make sure you use your hand to smoothen it, make it gum properly. Please, if there's anything you don't understand at the course of this tutorial, please let me know at the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you out. So you do the same thing to your carry board. So be using this black fabric as lining. This will serve as our lining, while the other one, the green one, will serve as the main fabric. So you see, we are done gumming it, done gumming the both of them. So for you to this carry board is the skeleton of the bag, so it has to be inside. It has to be inside while the macro stay at the outer surface. The reason is that so that when rain touches this bag, or when you wash the bag won't lose shape. So when you are trying to fold the bag, you fold it 6.5 inches in, just the way I illustrated it before cutting it out from the macro. So you give it a knot them so they will be able to slip in. You can be able to smoothen it with your hands. So they are done gumming the both sides. It's time to join the macro and the carry board together. Watch me do this. When joining it, this is how it will look like. So let's gum. Let's place gum on it and do the actual thing. So gum it. Be careful when doing this. Be careful. Place it very be very careful and gentle when placing it. Place it at the accurate position. So this is it. We're almost through the bag. So guys, what do you think about this bag? Is it beautiful? Do you like it? Please let me know at the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share these videos to your social media. Share it with your friends to support us. Thank you. Until my next tutorial, have a great day.